Hi, welcome to the English class. 6 tips to start thinking in English. Non-native speakers translate their ideas in their brains from their native language to the English, which sometimes make the language lose its meaning. The good news is that you can start thinking in English. I'm going to show you the steps to follow to do so. Tip number 1. Try to practice your English. Do not bother mistakes. Instead, learn from your mistakes. Your goal is to develop the habit of thinking in English. Talk to yourself. Talk with your foreigner friends. Participate in Facebook groups. Use apps or even talk to your pet. Tip number 2. Listen to native speakers' speech. The more you listen, the more your brain opens up. Use your laptop to download podcasts or audiobooks. Watch Netflix documentaries and play it in the background while doing your daily activities that doesn't require intense focus. Tip number 3. Try to guess what people will say next. Predicting will let your mind find the word with so much ease in the future. Your brain will be prepared to react in conversations as quick as it should be. While doing this kind of activity, you are exploring all the different options you will need while using the targeted language. Tip number 4. Stop learning only through translation. The best way to learn through is association, experience, and observation. We associate the word with the meaning. You'd better start to associate objects around you with your target language. Wherever you go, you try to link what's around you and think or even label it in English. Little by little, your percentage by which you think will shift from your mother tongue to the target language significantly. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Let's keep learning. Tip number 5. Do not use bilingual dictionary to learn vocabulary, because you will be always practicing translation. By using a monolingual dictionary, your focus will only be on your target language. As a result, you will expand your English vocabulary. Tip number 6. Repeat phrases native speakers use the most. If you're only taking in a language, it is really hard to improve your pronunciation. So whenever you have the possibility to practice your target language, even with yourself, do not hesitate. Let's recapitulate. The first tip, practice your English. Second tip, listen to native speakers. The third one, the guessing game. The fourth tip, do not translate. The fifth tip, use monolingual dictionary. Sixth tip, repeat most used phrases. So yeah, learn more about the English language by clicking on the subscribe button for more knowledge. Never stop learning. Bye.